Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a soccer ball, or a football. First we'll draw a circle for the ball. Start by drawing a long vertical line, and this will help determine the circle's height. This is just a guideline, so it's okay if it's not a perfectly straight line. Just lightly sketch a vertical line. And however long you make this line, that's how tall the circle will be. And near the middle of the line, make a small mark. Just eyeball it. And then extend that mark to create a long horizontal line. And this will determine the circle's width. And try to make both lines the same length. They don't have to be exact, but just try to make them both the same length. The two lines should be similar to a big plus sign. Now make a couple of small marks on the vertical line to determine the height of the circle. So make sure that the lines are the same distance away from the middle of the plus sign, and that will give you more or less a pretty accurate circle. Now make a couple more small marks on the horizontal line to indicate the sides of the circle. And one more time, make sure that the distance from the tip of the horizontal mark to the middle of the circle is the same on both sides, and that way the circle will be even. And then just connect the small marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. And sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also, pause the video as you follow along to draw at your own pace. And normally it doesn't matter if you draw perfect circles, but because this is going to be a ball, you want to draw it as accurate as you can. And this circle is pretty decent, but in order to get a more perfect circle, you can just trace the outer edge of an object that's circular, like this lid here. It's a lid for a container of some sort. And just find an object that has the same size, more or less, as the circle you're going for. So this is slightly bigger than the circle that I drew, but it almost fits perfectly. So I'm going to be tracing the outer edge of this object for a more perfect circle. And now let's move on to the final drawing. Okay, so we're going for the classic soccer ball look. And for that, we have to add a couple of smaller shapes within the big shape of the circle. And those shapes are going to be pentagons. So first, let's start by making a small mark on the vertical line, and this will be the top part of the pentagon. And then make another small mark below the horizontal construction guide, and that will be the bottom edge of the pentagon. Notice that the top mark is farther apart from the horizontal guide than the bottom mark. And then let's just extend the sides of the small mark at the bottom to create the base of the pentagon. And then at the top, draw a couple of sloping lines for the top section of the pentagon. And try to get both sides as similar as you can to each other. So this sort of looks like the classic shape of a house. And then just connect the tips of the lines using a couple more sloping lines to create the sides of the pentagon. And pay attention to how big this shape is inside of the ball. It takes up a big space inside of the initial circle. And now from each corner of the pentagon, draw a couple of lines for the stitching on the ball. So just a couple of lines that are close to the edges of the circle. Don't go too close to the edges because we're going to draw more shapes. So that's one line. And then from this corner, you want to draw another line. Again, don't draw it so close to the edge of the circle. Just draw a couple of short lines along the corners of the initial pentagon. So here's another corner. So we're going to draw another line. and another line on this corner. And notice that the slopes of these short lines come from the middle of the circle. So this line is coming directly from the middle. This one is too. Don't draw them angled like this, for example, because that's not coming in from the middle of the circle. So just draw them. If it helps, you can actually draw them from the middle of the circle outward. So let's try doing that with this one. So here's the corner, here's the middle of the circle, and then just draw it going outward like that, and then darken the outer section. That might help. And then at the tips of those lines, draw a couple more angled lines or more pentagons. So for example, this line will be similar to a wide letter V. And if you have room at the top, you can add a couple short lines too, just to emphasize the shape of that small pentagon. Otherwise, you can just go all the way to the edge of the circle. So the same thing on this side, at the tip of the line, draw an angled shape for another pentagon. And if you have room, draw a couple of angled lines just to really emphasize the shape of the pentagon. And then again, on this side, notice how wide these shapes are too. Don't draw these lines too, the angle of these lines too narrow. They should be pretty wide. And just a couple more. And the last one, another wide sort of angular line. And we're almost done. If you've made it this far, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And now just connect the outer corners of the smaller pentagons using a couple of curved lines to finish the shape of the stitching. And notice how these lines follow the curvature of the outer circle. And at the same time, these lines form bigger shapes that are hexagons instead of pentagons. If you see, every little space outside of the main pentagon is a hexagon because of these lines. And that's it for the soccer ball or football. Now go over the final lines with permanent ink, erase the guides, and color your drawing. You can color your drawing digitally like I did, or you can use markers or colored pencils like I've done in past videos. The next few steps are sped up, but make sure that you go over your final lines slowly and carefully to avoid any accidents. For more tutorials like this one, please visit easydrawingtutorials.com. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see me draw. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.